YouTube. I already marked up my charts last night for my 4 hour highs and lows. So I'm gonna mark up my 1 hour right now. I had to wait for price to print the candles and stuff. So let me go and do that real quick. So we got a low here. I think it's the only one actually. We got a low here and we had a high here, but it's already been broken, so we're not gonna worry about that one. So all right, there you go. All right, so now we already got the 4 hours marked up. Let me just show you. Up candle, down candle, it's a high. Bearish candle, bullish candle, that's a low. And I think this one was a 1 hour that I marked up last night. So these are all our highs and lows marked up. And the highs and lows are either for my liquidity sweep entries or it's just my target, my overall targets. So drop down to the 15-minute, look and see what price doing. So this looks like a 5 entry right here, but 15-minute to start here. It's high, it's low. Broke structure to the upside. Like it failed to break and close above this high, and then it dropped. It didn't break this low either, so I guess it's just playing within its range. So let me go to the 5-minute and get some more information. So this is what the 5-minute looking like. Like it's consolidating. It broke out below. Then these huge bullish candles broke above, showing bullish momentum. So now for me, I'll be looking for a pull. If it wants to pull back, I'll be looking for a pullback into a demand zone. If it wants to keep going, I'll just wait for price to create regular bullish structure like this, and then come into a demand zone right here, and then take it higher. So if it doesn't give me any type of bullish structure, highs and lows, and if it just like shoots up, then I'll be looking for a liquidity sweep entry of one of my higher time frame highs. So I just fast forward, so I don't have to see all the candles and stuff, but I'll get back to y'all when I see something that I like. All right, so we had price come down into this zone, retested it. So now looking for a break of the candle of the last, whatever the last candle, we're going to look for a break of that candle. So right now it's this big bearish candle. So that's the one we focused on right now. If this now bullish candle flips bearish and breaks the low of this bearish candle, then we're going to be looking at this candle for the break of the candle. So that's how I go about my entries. So, and I did forget to tell y'all, this is the new funded account that I passed it yesterday, but I didn't post it because, like I said, I think I said, I don't think I said anything about it, but I risk differently on the funded account, and so I don't take it slow. I just try to pass it fast. So I didn't want to put that record that process or whatever. It was just me finding a trade, putting a high lot size on it, and hitting my target. It wasn't really nothing special. So I didn't show that process yesterday. That's why I didn't post a video yesterday. But right now, like I said, we're trying to get the break of the candle for this, so we can have our entry to the upside Last time, yeah, I seen it. It was price was up here. I think it was like right before 6 a.m. or maybe a little bit after. And I was looking for price to come down into this demand zone. I did exactly that. So hopefully this demand zone holds so we can get our entry. So I see how either when I get the entry or if this entry becomes invalid and I have to look for another setup. All right, so we did get in this buy. Um, I accidentally put two contracts. I had like clicked the buy button twice, but whatever. We're just gonna thug it out with two contracts. So stop loss 600, TP 1200, and yeah, let's just go see what it do. All right, yeah, that's the trade. We got 1200, 1100, 94 after the fees, and it's Friday, so obviously no trade on the weekend. I don't trade Sundays either, so I see y'all Monday for the next live trading. Like I said, this is the new funded account, so this is the first trade on the funded. We up 1194, and price still shooting up, but this is day one of the new funded account, so I see y'all for day two of live trading on the funded Monday. Hopefully, if we can find a trade. If not, then I see y'all the day after. So thank y'all for watching. I see y'all in the next one.